be showing you a strategy that's gonna get you from $0 to over $2,000 every single week. And I'm gonna show you guys to do it in today's video. And this is all the money that you're gonna be making. I know it sounds super hard to believe, and that's why you're just gonna have to trust me, watch and follow. So to start making money just like this, then the first thing you should do is What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest and trendiest ways to make money online, especially today. So how exactly can you do it? Here's how you can earn $3,000 every week using affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing on complete autopilot so you can make even more money by doing no work at all. It's the best way to make money online because it's easy, it's simple, it's very quick to set up, but you have to set it up properly so you can start making money using affiliate marketing. So make sure that you keep watching because I am going to show you how to do it step by step. You don't need any experience, you're not going to need any skills, it's free, so no payment, no hidden fees whatsoever. It's available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you live. And just make sure that you guys watch it, make sure you have a smartphone or a computer, and let's jump right into it. Let's get started with today's method. So the first thing that you're going to do is go on the website called embersmmworldpanel.com. Now, this is a social media marketing panel that not a lot of people are actually aware of on this website. And on these types of websites, you can actually discover some ways to boost your social media marketing. Now, they provide services for YouTube, Amazon, Instagram, and other social media platforms that you can possibly think of. Now, you probably already know that you can actually buy any service for your social media on the internet. But the difference and the significant difference between standard sites that offer social media services and this website, SML Panels, is the pricing. If you compare it to regular sites, SMM Panels are incredibly way cheaper, significantly cheaper. And on this website, you're going to be able to create an absolutely free account. And all you have to do is click this button that says sign up. And then you're going to fill out the form that's going to ask all the information from you, your username, your first and your last name, your email, your Skype username if you have one, password with confirmation, and finally you're going to confirm or verify that you're not a robot before you click on sign up. As soon as you finish the sign up process, you're going to be able to log in to your brand new personal account, which is going to look like this. So over here is where you can look through all of the different services that this website has to offer. And as you can see, this website lets you buy everything you can imagine. When it comes to social media, you can buy Instagram likes, YouTube subscribers, watch time engagement, and literally anything and everything. But don't worry, you're not going to have to buy any of these services because we're going to use them because they're cheap and profitable. Why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you would rather use to get paid? PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. So let's continue. As you can see, there are 1,000 Instagram likes on this website and it only costs $2. But if you look up for the website where they sell Instagram likes, like on Google, you're going to find that they sell 1,000 Instagram likes for over $10. Now, there's also affiliate marketers who simply resell these services from websites like this one. And before we go any deeper, I just really need you guys to understand that there is a difference. Now, the next step is for you to click on this affiliates button. You're then going to be able to log into the website as an affiliate and you're going to be able to track your results, the conversion rates, and the earnings. So every time someone buys something or purchases something through your link, through your affiliate link, you're going to be able to see it over here and you can request for that money to be withdrawn. Now you're going to see your affiliate link over here, which you are going to be able to copy. And after that, you're going to be ready to market your affiliate link. And you are going to receive a commission from this website if someone purchases something from this website using your affiliate link. As you can see, the affiliate commission for this website is at 25%, which is amazing because this website has a lot of potential. So you can make thousands of sales daily and earn thousands of dollars as often as possible. Now, as soon as you have your affiliate link, you are going to need traffic sources to increase the traffic to it. So I'm going to show you traffic resources that you're going to be able to use to promote your link and make some more money from affiliate commissions. So the first traffic source that you can actually use to promote your affiliate link is the website called writesonic.com. It's free and it's going to help you get more sales and help you earn more money using affiliate commissions. Now this website offers a lot of amazing features, but the one that we need in this video and for this strategy is the emails feature. So Writesonic is going to help you, and it's going to create professional looking emails that's going to help you engage leads and customers when you choose this option. So for example, I'm going to type here, boost your subscribers using this new tool. Then I'm going to enter another one here, get more views and subscribers, and then you're going to need to scroll down. You're going to click on generate emails, and as you can see, after only waiting a few seconds, this website will give you 3 new emails for you, which are free, and you can copy and paste and use it for yourself. You can choose whatever one you think is best, so I'm just going to choose this one. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit the notification bell so that you're going to be notified whenever we have a new video posted. Let's keep going then. Now the next step for you is to go on YouTube, where you're going to not need to create your own channel or post videos yourself if you're thinking that. It's just that with this method, you are going to have to find smaller YouTube content creators who you think want to grow their channels and become more popular and have more subscribers and likes on YouTube, on this platform. So this can be, YouTubers from literally any segment, any category that you can possibly think of, like gaming, cooking, fishing, beauty, vlogs, or any other category, any other content that you can think of. So for example, I'm just going to look up Fortnite, but you can look for whatever you want. And as you can see, there are a lot of YouTube channels. There are a lot of large YouTube channels, but we are going to choose a smaller YouTube channel. So this one right here is ideal for our example. So we are going to choose him. Now you're going to go onto their YouTube channel, look for their email address, and in most cases, you are going to be able to find it in the description box. So you're going to need to click here to view the email address. You're going to copy that. After that, you're going to go to your email and you're going to compose a new email where you're going to address to them, to that small YouTuber. Then you're going to copy the subject from this website and from the email template that Writesonic had just created for us. And then you're going to paste it here in the email. You're also going to copy the rest of the text from Writesonic, paste it here as well. And the last step is to put in and insert your affiliate link anywhere in the email. I'm going to put it here, but you can put it wherever works best for you. Now, you may delete the codes provided by this website. You can edit this email further if you want, but in this case, I don't need any editing because it's already nice. So it's ready to go, and now I can send that to this YouTube content creator. Now, you can actually do this process over and over again, but the more times you do it, the better, because some YouTubers will for sure buy those services from this website, and that's how you're going to be able to make thousands of dollars every week using this free affiliate marketing strategy. So do it as many times as you can, especially because you are allowed to do so. So take advantage of that. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.